Lot of you may not know the sabudana, which is very widely used in India for making sweets and during Vrat, is made from a root, the cassava, the tapioca, kappa, karapendulum, whatever you call it. So I grow a lot of them in my farm. So nowadays you will start seeing these recipes. So all you need to do is peel them out, cut into small pieces and boil it like potato. So there is a method to use this cassava root. You need to wash them so that it washes off something that can be a little bit harmful to you. Just like potatoes, these are also bought to in India, but these were bought in Kerala to basically eradicate famine. I've already boiled the tapioca, cut into small pieces just like potato. Instead of eating rice or any other starchy material, it is a substitute also. For breakfast they make kappa. Just boil them. If you want, you can also add a little bit of salt to this. Instead of using regular refined oil, I'm going to use coconut oil because this is very popularly eaten, and whenever I go to Kerala on vacation, I love to eat it and I love that coconut oil flavor. If you want, you can also use the regular oil. Tempering of mustard seeds, cumin, curry leaf, turmeric you can add while boiling the cassava, or else you can add here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, some green chillies, saute it, and in this add the boiled tapioca. If you want, you can also kind of little bit mash it up, toss it, add freshly grated coconut. That's it. Today I'm not going to eat rice, I'm going to enjoy this kappa. Then beautiful kappa is ready. Transfer it into a bowl. Nice. Perfect. What I love the most is the beautiful aroma that is coming from the coconut oil, the curry leaf and the tempering. This is best eaten with something like fish curry or egg curry. So I'm going to make any of the kolambus or the pulusu you want to enjoy, you can enjoy it with this. So let's make a quick mutta roast. For this egg curry, we're going to add oil. And usually in the egg curries you add a little extra because the onions, a lot of onions need to fry. Temper it with mustard, add cumin, red chilli, curry leaf, onion, lot of onion. And each region, I have seen a lot of people in Kerala that when they make this, they cut the onions little lengthy like this. I love my egg pulsu with it. Chopped onion, slightly bigger onion but chopped. So it depends on what to eat with, especially if you are making dosa masala and all that. I like this cut of onions. So cut is also very important when you are making dishes. If you are eating with something that is potato like, you want this masala to actually coat it with it. So the onions like this would be better. Add salt. So when the onions are slightly cooked, in this we're going to add ginger garlic paste and the masala powders, of course, turmeric, and in this add the powders, the chili powder, the coriander powder. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala later, green chili, tomatoes. That's it. And we're going to cook this till this tomatoes is also slightly mashed up. This dish is so good that you can have it for lunch, dinner, but worldwide they love to eat eggs for breakfast. So you can enjoy this kappa and egg curry for breakfast also. Whether you want these tomatoes completely disappear or you want them slightly half done, it's for a debate. It's up to you. In this we're going to add some tamarind juice and a little bit of jaggery. This is optional. I love to add pinch of jaggery to give it a nice taste. Pinch of garam masala, and I will wait for the raw flavor of the tamarind juice to go away. But egg is best eaten with pepper. That's why in a breakfast omelette or everywhere they add a little bit of pepper, because that takes away a little bit of odd flavors people may not like. Pepper. Wars have been fought for this pepper. If you know cooking and if you know how to use the pepper right, it's one of the wonder spice. Only when the gravy starts tasting good, we're going to add the wonder spice, that's pepper. And in this, roll in some eggs. After you add the eggs, you don't have to cook any further. Switch off the flame and the beautiful eggs are ready to serve. The beautiful eggs. You want a lot of this curry. I love a lot of green chilies, but even for breakfast, this is just too good. Freshly made hot kappa with egg curry with a lot of onions. It's often called as egg roast and all that, along with the kappa and some of this onion masala. It's absolutely boomba boomba dish. Slightly sweet, slightly sour. My all-time favorite, egg with the kappa. Nice. Perfect. Dear friends, can you suggest some recipe that I need to make with tapioca? Of course, next I'm going to try fish also, but your suggestions are welcome. I'm going to try them.